Baltimore City Police are still trying to identify the source of yesterday's mass overdose in the city's Penn North community. 11 people were sickened, 7 were taken to the hospital for treatment. The victims range in age from 30 to 60 years old and are all expected to survive. Welcome to the news at 5. I'm Nikki Zizaza.
And I'm Rick Ritter. And just one day after that mass overdose, we are learning Baltimore City will now award $2 million from the Opioid Restitution Fund. This to several community organizations who can apply soon, hoping to help prevent incidents like this that really are becoming all too common now.
Our Janae Reese joins us live on your corner in West Baltimore. She has more on what this opportunity means for neighborhoods like Penn North. So, Janae, you spoke with people dealing with this crisis every day. What did they have to say?
Nikki and Rick, they are ready to apply and they're ready to get to work and continue what they've been doing for years.
We have 2 doses of Narcan and some gloves.
Young Elder works with the University of Maryland, Baltimore's Embrace Resource Center. She's a part of the next generation, hoping to create change in their neighborhood after it experienced its 3rd overdose event in the last few months.
A lot of people did not know that there was an overdose happening. Like, people who were actively using did not know that there was a crisis happening.
Thursday morning, her team came back to help.
I'm a young person. I see the vision for Baltimore, but our young people need investment. Strategic investment and wraparound services so that that is what overdose prevention looks like.
Elder hopes to continue the work they're doing, and now more funding and resources will be available thanks to the Opioid Restitution Fund.
This RFP is about investing back into the neighborhoods that have been the hardest hit by the overdose crisis and keeping the priorities and needs of Baltimore City residents front and center.
The mayor's office plans to use some of its fund, the city one, in its recent opioid settlement to address the opioid crisis in Baltimore by allowing community organizations to apply for a grant through the fund.
One of the key things that we always hear from folks is the importance of taking care of the whole person, making sure that a person's basic needs are met so that they have the greatest chance of succeeding in treatment and recovery.
The grant application is broken down into 3 tiers. Each tier is based on the needs of each organization that applies.
These activities are directly related to immense needs in the city that we're facing in addressing overdose events like this, but also the general ongoing crisis.
Grant awardees have the chance to increase access to low-barrier social support services and increase availability of low-barrier mobile treatment services, specifically in areas that are disproportionately affected by overdose, like Baltimore's Penn North neighborhood.
And now with the Opioid Restitution Fund, community grants will contribute to back our central goal of reducing fatal overdoses in Baltimore City by 40% by 2040.
But for organizations like Powell Recovery Center, they hope the change begins now and they can build upon the work they're already doing.
We just offer services, let them know that if you need help, we're here.
Do what you can do today. Don't put off tomorrow, because tomorrow is not promised.
The mayor's office, the criminal investigation into yesterday's overdose incident is ongoing. However, this new grant is just the beginning in addressing the overall crisis. Now, this application opens officially on October 23rd. Officials say awardees will be announced in February. For now, reporting live on your corner here in Penn North, I'm Janae Reese for WJZ.
All right, Janae, thank you.